My video will help you to remove the new ransomware type application called DKQ. My video is only for the educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware and I am not promoting the ransomware. The truth is that before the ransomware's attack, there are no troubles opening the file names, pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, text documents, and other data. Unfortunately, because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities, this DKQ ransomware may be very easily injected into the system. So then very soon users realize that they can no longer access their data. The ransomware actually is called DKQ because it actually appends this DKQ extension to the file names. And it's impossible to use the files. Also, if you manually remove this DKQ extension, the files are still encrypted. Then the ransomware tells the victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file restoration. But paying the ransom is not a good idea, so don't waste your money and don't pay the ransom. Now, to remove this ransomware, I recommend you to use a special software called Combo Cleaner. You may get it through your Internet Explorer browser because other browsers may also be damaged by this ransomware. Therefore, through your Internet Explorer browser, go to the page combocleaner.com, use the green download Combo Cleaner button, download the software, install the software, and once it gets successfully installed, start researching the system. Click on Start Scan button, and most likely the software will first of all update its anti-malware database, which is truly essential for proper detection of this ransomware or other threats. And so don't skip this very important step. So wait until the anti-malware database of Combo Cleaner gets successfully updated. And then, after the anti-malware database is successfully updated, Combo Cleaner begins scanning, researching, and investigating your computer, as you see. Combo Cleaner doesn't decrypt files, but it helps to remove this ransomware with its anti-ransomware feature. You see here. Also, you can upgrade to premium and you can request trial to fully evaluate the features of Combo Cleaner. So, speaking about file decryption, please find a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more information on how you can possibly recover the data.